Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Perimeter Technologies Invisible Fence R21 Replacement Collar. If you're looking for a reliable solution to keep your furry friend safe and secure, this might just be the perfect fit. Let's explore why. The Perimeter Technologies Invisible Fence R21 is designed for pet owners who want peace of mind knowing their dog is safely contained within a designated area. Whether you have a small yard or a sprawling property, this collar offers a range of features to ensure your pet stays within boundaries without the hassle of traditional fences. This collar is compatible with Invisible Fence brand in-ground systems, specifically those prior to the 800 series. It works seamlessly with models like ICT 700, ICT 725, and more. It operates on both 7K and 10K frequencies, allowing flexibility based on your specific setup and to avoid interference from neighboring systems. Proudly made in the USA, this collar emphasizes quality and reliability, backed by a solid manufacturing history. Now, let's break down why this collar stands out. With a strong reputation for reliability, this collar ensures consistent performance over time. Setting up and adjusting the collar is straightforward, making it accessible even for first-time users of invisible fences. Every purchase comes with a free backup collar strap, extending the life and usability of the product. In conclusion, if you're searching for a reliable invisible fence collar that offers both 7K and 10K frequency options, the Perimeter Technologies Invisible Fence R21 is definitely worth considering. Its straightforward setup, compatibility with older invisible fence systems, and American manufacturing make it a solid choice for pet owners looking to ensure their dog's safety and freedom. That wraps up our review of the Perimeter Technologies Invisible Fence R21. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.